Let's go for the ninth one. In the exercise 10.3, two water taps together can fill a tank in 3 by 8 hours. The tap of a larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ತುಂಬೋದಕ್ಕೆ 3/8 ಅವರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಗಿ. ದ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ 10 ಅವರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಒನ್, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 10 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗ ತುಂಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಚ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ time taken take the let's time taken by the big tap, I mean larger tap, big tap B. Sorry, first we have to take a small tap because big tap smaller than that. No, smaller tap B, x hours. And also next the time taken by the larger tap will become less than 10 hours, no? So that's why for the first, I mean for the small, that will become x minus 10 hours. Okay, so in 1 hour, so this is in 1 hour how much it can fill. In 1 hour the small tap can fill the 1/x part of a tank. In 1 hour the small tap can fill separately. Okay, in 1 hour the small tap can fill separately the 1/x volume or part of a tank, 1/x part of tank. And in the same way, in 1 hour the larger tap can fill 1/x minus 10 part of a tank. Okay, it's reciprocal want to take. Okay, the volume of the tank filled by the small tap as well as the larger tap is reciprocal in the sense 1/x, and here 1 divided by x minus 10 will become. Okay, next we have to take together, that is tank filled, the hours time taken by the both the taps to fill the tanks we have to calculate now. The time taken by both the tap is 3/8 hours. That means 9 8s are 72 plus 3 is 75/8 hours. Okay, and it's in 1 hour so both the taps in 1 hour both the tap can take, in 1 hour both the tap can fill how much tank. So it's reciprocal we have to take. Here we are taking in the same way. In 1 hour both the tap can fill, its reciprocal will become 8/75 part of a tank. To take volume we have to take reciprocal, keep in mind. So it is 75/8 hours it is, that reciprocal will be the part of a tank, can fill 8/75 part of a tank. So then we have to add according to that, we can add, so I mean both the taps can fill, that means 1/x plus 1/x minus 10, that can fill 8/75 according to the condition. Both the taps in the sense this is and equal to the 1/x minus 10 equal to 8/75. So if we have taken here the LCM x into x minus 10, x get cancelled, remaining is x minus 10 into 1 itself, it is x minus 10 plus x minus 10 cancelled, remaining x into 1 is x equal to 8/75. So next here is 1x plus 1x is 2x minus 10 equal divided by x into x is x square minus 10 into x is 10x equal to 8 divided by 75. So if we do the cross multiplication here, we will get, so 8 into x square minus 10x equal to 75 into 2x minus 10. Next is 8 into x square is 8x square minus 8 into 10x is 80x. 80x equal to 75 into 2 will become 150. 150 into x is 150x minus 75 into 10 will become 750. Let's take to one side 8x square minus 80x plus 150x. If it is shift to LHS, it will become minus 150x minus 150. If it is shift to LHS, it will become plus 750 equal to 0. So 8x square 150, 1 minus 150 and minus 80 will become plus minus 230x and plus 750 equal to 0. We can take common here 2. So if you are taken common here, 2 4x square minus 2 1s are 2 15s are 30, 115x plus 2 I think 2 3s are 2 7s are 14, 1 2 5s are 375 equal to 0. So we will get here 2 equal to 0, or else 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. We can solve easily by the factorization method rather than using the equation, quadratic formula. So we can take here 375 into quotient, 375 into 4, so will become 375 into 4, 4 5s are 22, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 is 30, 3 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15, 1500. For the 1500 we need 115, no? May 1500 can divide by 150 and in I think 100 into 15. Yes, 15 ones are 15. This 1500, right? 100 into 15 we can divide that 1500, and 115 will become 115 also. We can take easily. So without any finding in any LCM, 4x square minus, this is a 100x, we can write minus 100 minus 15, 100x minus 15x plus 375 equal to 0. So here we can take a LCM common 4x we can take. So if you are taken a 4x comma, will remainder x minus 425. So x get cancelled, x minus 25. If you have taken 15 outside, common, we will get x plus in minus into plus is minus, 15 25 is 375 equal to 0. Again if you have taken common x minus 25, so remainder is 4x minus 15 equal to 0. So here x equals 25 we can get, or 4x equals 15, that means x equals 15 divided by 4. So it will not considered because it is a fraction, so that's why we have to take this, x equals 25. So if x equals 25, that means time taken by the each gap, no, find the in which it each tap can separately tap, time taken by the smaller tap, time taken by the, we can write this, time taken by the smaller tap, the thing we took as x, smaller tap is how much, 25 hours can take, and the bigger tap, time taken by the larger tap is, so x minus 10, in the sense x minus 10 it is, that means 25 minus 10, yes, equal to 25 minus 10, that means 25 minus 10 is 15 hours. Hope you will understand this. So this is time taken by the smaller cap is 25, and it takes 10 hours less, no, 15 hours. I mean, by the larger tap the tank can fill very early. Let's move for the next sum, I mean 10th sum. This is the 10th sum, 8th sum, not 10th. Is 7, it is not 7, 9, 7. Next we have to move for the 8th sum in this. A train travels 360 kilometers, okay, at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken more 1 hour. More 1 hour not. It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of a train. Let the speed of a train will be the x kilometer because we don't know. Let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour, because speed always should be mentioned by unit, that is kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the I think I wrote wrong this, wait. Yes, sorry, this is only the 8th sum. The previous one is the 9th sum only. 8th one we didn't did actually. So that's why we have to take the 8th one, and the 9th one is also related to the train. That's why I got confusion. Let's move for the 8th sum. 9th one we did already. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour, because kilometer per hour is the unit of the, I mean speed unit. The distance covered is, how much is the distance covered? That is 360 km. Distance covered is 360 km. Okay, we know the formula for speed, so let's write the formula. Speed equal distance traveled divided by time taken. Okay, speed equals what's the formula for a speed? That is the distance traveled divided by time taken. So the time taken, now we have to calculate the speed. The time required to cover the 360 km will become, okay, the speed will become, distance is 360 distance, and the time has taken x. So now the speed will become, speed of a train will become, we can take that as a 360 divided by x hours. Okay, if one more point as given, if the speed had been increased 5 km per hour, I means if the speed has increased 5 km per hour, so that thing, if the speed has increased 5 km per hour, okay, then the time required, then the time required will become I mean x increased more kilometer means x plus 5, that is 360 divided by x plus 5, okay, x plus 5 hours. So this is the time for this. I mean, if it is not increased, I mean if it is time has increased 5 km per hour, it will become 3. So according to the condition, 1 hour extra it has taken according to the condition. So if it is increased, so that means we have to find out the difference of that according to the condition. That means 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 equal to 1. Okay, may it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Less in the sense we want to minus that equal to the 1. So let us take LCM is x and x plus 5 that equal to, if x's get cancelled it will become 3 is x plus 5. So that means, or we can do directly if the if we are having a same denominator, or else we can do like that anyhow. Okay, we can follow. So we did already, you have to follow this only. X plus 5, that means 360 into x plus 5 minus x plus 5 get cancelled, x 360 into x is 360x equal to 1. So always your denominator will be 1. We can do what, cross multiplication. If we did cross multiplication, 360 into x is 360x plus 360 into 5 will become 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 33, 5 3s are 15, plus 3 is 18. 1800 minus 360x equal to, here x into x, itself it is a 1, itself it is the same. X into x is x square plus 5 into x is 5x. Okay, 360x plus 1800 minus 360x. Okay, 3 plus 360x and minus 360x, may it will be get cancelled, remaining is 1800. We will get the equation x square plus 5x and plus 1800. If it is shift to the RHS, it will become minus 1800 equal to 0. Yes. Now we can use directly the ax square plus quadratic equation formula. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here the value of a is 1 and b is 5 and c is minus 1800. We can use any one. We can solve without using a formula also. Keep that thing in mind. So let us take a formula. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That means x equals minus b in the sense minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square in the sense 5 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 1800 divided by 2 into a means 1. 2 ones are 2. That equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square means 5 5s are 25, minus into minus is plus, 18 4s are 18 4s is 72 and 2 zeros are there, 7200 divided by 2 ones are 2 we will get. Next we have to add that, so it will become minus 5 plus or minus square root of, that means 7200 plus 25 is 7225 divided by 2. Yes, the square number for 7225 will become minus 5 plus or minus square number for this is 85 divided by 2. So the x equals minus 5 plus or minus 85 divided by 2. We can split this, minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2 or minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2. So x equals plus 85 minus 5 is 80 divided by 2 or minus 85 minus 5 is minus 90 divided by 2. 2 40s are this is, and it will become minus 45. So minus 45 may we will not consider. Okay, so let us take this x equals, just I am doing here, you have to note down, x equals 40 or minus 40 minus 45. So this will not consider. Let us take this x equals, so the speed of a train, we have taken x kilometer, speed of a train, speed of train is 40 kilometer per hour. We can write this. Hope you will understand this. Okay, remaining sum I'll do in the next video. Thank you.